The Kitten in the Rain, a story about kindness and courage. Sometimes the smallest act of kindness can change two lives at the same time. This is the story of a young boy who found a lonely kitten in the rain, and how helping that tiny life ended up transforming his own. The rain was falling hard. Cold wind pushed through the empty street, and in the middle of that storm, something tiny moved. A small, trembling sound broke the silence. Meow. 12-year-old Ryan stopped walking. His heart skipped. Ryan hesitated. His clothes would get wet. His mother might scold him. He wasn't even sure how to help a kitten. But kindness doesn't wait for perfect plans. So he took a deep breath, stepped forward, and gently picked up the trembling little life in his hands. The kitten let out a soft cry, not of fear, but of hope. Ryan wrapped it in his school sweater and ran home through the rain. At home, his mother opened the door, shocked. "Ryan, you're soaked. Why are you?" Then she saw the kitten. Her expression softened instantly. Together, they dried its fur with a warm towel. They gave it milk in a tiny bowl. The kitten tried to stand, wobbled, fell, but Ryan stayed beside it the entire time. That night, while the storm raged outside, the kitten slept safely on a soft blanket, and for the first time in a long time, Ryan felt something beautiful. Not every hero wears a cape. Some just refuse to ignore a helpless voice. Days passed. The weak kitten began to grow stronger. Its eyes sparkled now. Its paws became steady. It followed Ryan everywhere like a shadow. Ryan named him Milo. Every morning, Milo waited outside Ryan's room, meowing until he woke up. Every afternoon, Milo curled beside his books while he studied. And at night, Milo slept peacefully on Ryan's bed, purring softly. Ryan didn't just save Milo's life, Milo changed his too, teaching him patience, responsibility, and gentle love. One morning, Ryan's teacher asked, "Ryan, you seem more focused and calm these days. What changed?" Ryan smiled quietly. "Miss, I didn't change alone. I learned something from a little friend." "What did you learn?" she asked. Ryan replied, "When you choose kindness, you don't just help others grow. You grow too. There are thousands of animals out there, cold, hungry, scared, waiting for someone to notice them. Sometimes we think we can't change the world, but for one small life, you can change their entire world." If this story touched your heart, don't let it end here. Share this video and comment "I choose kindness." Let's create a world where no small voice is ignored and no life is left alone in the rain.